Part 5 video of lesson 1 networking concepts. Children, in this video we will discuss the major terminologies used in computer networking. First topic is internet. It is a computer network system that connects the computers of the world. It is normally connecting through WAN and LAN. It communicates via standardized communication protocols. Intranet. It is a closed room computer network system as it covers a small area and only authorized people can access it. For example, the employees of an airlines are interlinked with each other through the intranet so that they can access and modify booking the flight data, but the same information cannot be accessed by an outsider. Okay, so in a building, in a concise place, in a closed room, this network can be installed. Bandwidth. It is the amount of data that can be transferred from one point to another within a network in a specific amount of time. It is measured in bits per second or in higher units like kilobytes per second and megabytes per second. Internet service provider. It is an organization that provides services for accessing, using or participating in the internet. The facility is provided to the customers in exchange for a fee. Okay, you give fee and it gives you a service. Some common ISP in India are BSNL, Airtel, Reliance, Sify, etc. Website. It is a collection of web pages and related contents can be identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. For example, google.com, flipkart.com. Children, what is domain name here? A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. Web pages are written in hypertext markup language. Web portal. A web portal is a specifically designed website that often serves as the single point of access for information. It can also be considered a library of personalized and categorized content. It can be defined as a gateway to a wide range of internet services such as emails, search engines, e-commerce, etc. It does not contain information on any topic. Rather, it suggests web page to the user to find the desired information, for example, Yahoo, MSN, etc. Web page. It is digital page which may contain text, hyperlink, videos, audios, images, tables, etc. It is commonly written using in HTML and is stored on a web server. Home page. As you all know, it is the first page of a website. A home page contains connections to other pages of information by using links. What is link here? A link is a line or channel that connects two devices. In data communication, data is transmitted between connected devices through this channel. Hyperlink. A hyperlink points to whole document or to a specific element within a document. It is an image, audio, video, graphics or text that connects one page to another page. Hypertext. Children, you all have must seen hypertext when you open any website. You get underlined text in blue color. It is the text which contains links to other text. It can be easily identified on a web page. Hypermedia. Hypermedia, a term derived from hypertext that includes text, graphics, sound or video. It also provides a link from one page to another. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It is also called web address. A URL is the unique address of a specific website or file on the internet. To open a web page, its URL is entered in the address bar of a web browser. IP address, number addressing system. It is a unique string of numbers separated by full stops that identifies each computer using the internet protocol to communicate over a network. It can also be used to access the web page. Instead of typing the domain name, children, in simple word we can say that IP address is the address of our computer connected to the internet. For example, if someone wants to send mail to our home, they need our home address. Similarly, if we want to access any file from the internet, they need our computer address, which is also called IP address. Domain naming system. Children, humans are accustomed to using name instead of memorizing the numbers. If you type web address, DNS or domain naming system converts it in IP address. Human identified by names instead of numbers. If you type domain name, DNS converts it into IP address. Since domain names are easier to remember than IP address, for example, google.co.in, wikipedia.org, the domain naming system is the system which converts domain name into IP address. Since the internet works only with IP addresses, it serves as a directory for the web by locating and addressing devices in the worldwide network. A domain name consists of two parts. One is the domain name and other is the web extension. For example, Amazon.com. Here Amazon is the domain name and com is the web extension. Hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.